It says all-wheel drive on the back bumper. How is this an opportunity for your shop? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
All-wheel drive, compact SUVs, cars, and other vehicles are becoming a lot more popular. People like the safety and security all-wheel drive gives. But there are certain maintenance items on an all-wheel drive vehicle that your shop needs to inspect and service for the customer. The number one item to inspect and service on a regular interval are the fluids. On a typical all-wheel drive vehicle, you have a transfer case and an extra differential when compared to the normal base model. These require fluids, and they're typically gear lubes, and they may go 100,000 miles, but they need to be replaced on a regular basis for some of your customers. The second thing to look at is drive shafts and drive axles. These can take a lot of abuse, and typically the drive shaft on these vehicles, well, it has a center support bearing that can fail, and some of them actually need to be lubricated with a Zerk fitting. One of the big items that customers forget to do on their all-wheel drive vehicles is to maintain the tires. This includes inflation pressures, but it also includes, during replacement, that all 4 tires match. This doesn't matter if it's just 2 tires or just 4 tires. They need to match and have the same rolling circumference. If a customer has mixed or matched tires, you need to advise them that they could be limiting the life of their all-wheel drive system. That all-wheel drive badge on the back of your customer's vehicle, it's opportunity for your shop. Make sure that you're inspecting these items on all-wheel drive vehicles and looking up the service interval. Also, recommend to the customer in a service package before winter to service these items so their vehicle is safe and secure. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.